as you can tell, there's something going on with that motor there. And that's the motor that's in the truck that we're putting that nitrous kit on. So stay tuned. There's going to be some content tearing the engine apart to see what we might find. I'm sure we're going to find something, whether it's in the valve train, a wrist pin, rod knock. It's a fresh build. It's only got like 100 miles on it, right? So, but if all goes to hell in a handbasket, we got a 6-liter that we'll build and slap in there and spray the house down.